Have you ever wondered what the heck the bird dog exercise is? You're in the right place. I'm women's fitness expert Julie Laurie. I'm going to take you through this simple but really effective exercise and show you how to crank it up a notch if you're more advanced. Okay, so we're taking it down to the floor. You begin bird dog on your hands and knees. So you want to get down, hands flat, toes turned under, and core tight. So you want to make sure you're not arching up or down with the bird dog. So flat back, you're going to extend opposite arms and legs. So hands far enough apart, knees far enough apart to keep you stable. Extend back your right leg, point your toe, and left arm comes out. Hold that movement without letting your stomach dip or arch up. Then you'll come down and you'll alternate, holding that movement, keeping really tight in your core. This is going to work all the way down from your abs, lower back, glutes, legs, even your shoulders get involved. So lots of muscle groups involved with the bird dog exercise. If you're ready to crank it up a notch, you're going to come down and you can do a bird dog crunch. So you're going to again extend back with your right leg, extend out with your left arm, and then slowly crunch in, bringing your elbow to your knee and extend back out. Down, and you're going to alternate, arms up, crunch it in, back out, and down. So you can pull more abdominal muscles into the movement by doing that. If you're really advanced, we're going to crank it up and you're going to go fast with this. So you can be back, hands and knees, extend out, up, and crunch in, pull tight, really focusing on the contraction of your abdominal muscles. And for those super athletes, you can take this up to a push-up position. So a push-up bird dog is going to bring you up on your toes. Feet are going to be just wider than hip distance apart. And you're going to lift right leg, left arm, hold, bring that back down, lift left leg, right arm, hold, back down. So that is how you do the bird dog exercise. If you're wondering why it's called the bird dog exercise, it's based on hunting dogs' pointing positions. So there you go, demystified.